Oh, I think it stopped recording for a while then. I think it's recording now. Right, ready to go then. So, T's and B's are green, full power, and go. Airspeed's alive, full power generated, wind straight down the chute. Airspeed 50, 60, 70, 80, up we go. 100 feet. Positive rate of climb, gear up. Continuing positive rate, flaps 1, flaps 2, and then back on the engine. We don't want to flog it to bits. So bring the engine back, throttle to about there. That's good. Right, let's get the nose down. We're going to go east, so turning right now. Don't need to talk to anybody today. Listen out on Lake and Heath. .25, 1,500 feet now. Let's go out to the seaside. Snetterton racecourse over there. Nettershall Country Park down there. Airfield you can't see out to the right. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. 25, 24. Fuel pump can now come off. Fuel is good, fuel pressure is good. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. Nice day for flying. A bit bumpy.
Alpha with you, basic service outside and a MAX and ATZ crossing please.
Med 88 Alpha, Lake and Heath radar, QNH is 1013, ident.
So we've got Lake and Heath QNH 1013, we'll go on to that for the time being.
Med 88 Alpha, your radar contact 4 miles northeast of Cambridge, basic service, METS penetration approved.
Basic service, METS penetration approved. We are en route to site just inside the Sept Forest, which would take us directly through your Mildenhall and the Lake and Heath maps. Helimed 88 Alpha, and EC45 with 5 on board at Cambridge.
Helmet 88 Alpha, roger, on request with transitions.
Well, I'm just going a little play with this GoPro now, so I'm going to tell it to stop recording to see if it